The plant kingdom. We see a variety of plants around us. They are of different sizes and shapes. Some plants are big while some are small. Plants are classified into 5 major categories: trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers, and climbers. Trees are tall and strong plants. Neem, mango, banyan are some of examples of trees. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. Grass, spinach are some of examples of herbs. Shrubs are small plants with thick stems. Rose, cotton are some of examples of shrubs. Climbers are plants with weak stems. They need some support to grow. Grapes, money plant are some of examples of climbers. Creepers are also plants with weak stem. They grow on the ground. Watermelon, pumpkin are some of examples of creepers. Parts of a plant. The body of a plant can be divided into two main parts: root and shoot. The first part below the ground is called the root. The second part above the ground is called the shoot. Root is the underground part of a plant. There are two main types of roots: taproot and fibrous root. Some plants have one main roots growing from the end of the stem into the soil. Several small roots grow from the main root. The main root is called the taproot. Plants like beans, peas, mustard, and hibiscus have taproots. Plants like grass, wheat, rice, and onion have several thread-like roots growing from the end of the stem. These roots are together called fibrous roots. The shoot is that part of the plant which grows above the ground. The shoot mainly consists of stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Stems are main part of the shoot. Other parts of the plant, such as the leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits, grow on the stem. Stems can be hard or soft. Spinach has soft stem. Big trees like mango and banyan trees have thick and strong stems. These strong stems are called their trunk. A trunk holds the tree straight and upright. Functions of the stem. Stems are helpful to plants. They support leaves and flowers. They conduct water from the plant's root to its leaves and flowers. They move food made by leaves to all parts of the plant. Some plants use their stems for storage. Desert cacti store water in their stems. Potato, sweet potato, and ginger are actually underground stems. They store food in them. Leaves. A leaf grows on the stem or branch of a plant. Leaves can be many shapes or sizes. Structure of the leaf. The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. The skeleton of the leaf is made up of midrib and its branches called side veins. These veins help to distribute water and food. The underside of the leaf has tiny pores called stomata. These stomata help in the exchange of gases. Functions of the leaf blade. Green leaves prepare food for the plants in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. Leaves appear green because of a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps leaves to prepare food. The process of making food with green leaves is called photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, plants give out a gas called oxygen. This gas is used by living things for breathing. Leaves of some plants store food. We eat some of them as vegetables. Flowers. A bud on the stem of a plant opens into a flower. Flowers make the plants look very beautiful. They come in different colors, sizes and shapes. A flower changes into a fruit with seeds inside it. Fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds too are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Humans and many animals eat fruits. Some fruits that we eat are mangoes, apples, pears, watermelons and strawberries. Most fruits have one or more seeds inside them. A seed has a baby plant inside